You may have heard the term artificial intelligence, AI. But what does it really mean? Simply put, AI is any computer program that uses pattern recognition to help it think like the human brain, AI in everyday life. Believe it or not, you've probably already used some form of AI. Here are some examples. Alexa or Siri. You ask a question and they answer. Google Search. You type a question and it finds answers for you. Movie and shopping suggestions. Netflix or Amazon recommend things based on what you have chosen in the past. Unlike Alexa or Siri, a new form of AI, called Generative AI or large language models, uses vast worlds of information that enables it to converse with you and create text and art based on your requests. One such model is ChatGPT, which doesn't just give short answers, it has conversations. Unlike Google Search, it doesn't just send you to a website, it explains things directly. Unlike a customer service chatbot, it isn't just programmed with a few responses. It can talk about many topics. One specific use of artificial intelligence is like an old-fashioned telephone call, but with a research librarian or an expert. That's the chat function of AI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That's a fancy way of saying it's designed to chat with you in a conversational way, in your own language. It can also create content, everything from drafting letters and poems to immediately responding to requests for information, organizing and planning, like for planning a trip to planning meals, based on what you happen to have on hand, and then continuing the conversation when you ask it to adapt a recipe to your diet. This is different from a typical online search. It answers in seconds with a full conversation, in any language, and without judgment. That's GPT in a nutshell. ChatGPT is currently one of the leading, safest, publicly available form of GPT. Generations Online has built a special teaching version to guide you onto ChatGPT, specially designed for older adults, the way we talk and listen and remember. Generations Online's chat is powered by ChatGPT, and it's called I'm a Computer. Just to remind you of its limitations, please play with I'm A. Let's have elders be ahead of the game with this technology, not left behind. Remember, it doesn't replace human connection and can unintentionally make mistakes. But it also can be a really useful tool that adapts, changes, and learns from the person using it. So give it a try.